Hey everyone, I want to talk to you about how to simplify this equation. So let's talk about it here in this lesson. So here we want to simplify this expression and we want to do it. So the first step I want to tell you is you got to show the work. A lot of you guys don't like to skip the steps and you want to go to just get the answer. Your teacher is assessing you how you're able to show the steps are do you know the rules. So that's what they're assessing you on. So here I'm going to tell you how to properly show the solution. So here's how you do it. Wait for it. You'll be in for a little surprise. So the first step is we have these exponents, negative a half here, this negative a half right here, and this 2. So what we want to do is distribute them. Okay, so let's do that right here. So what we're going to do is you're going to write this as x minus 2 to the negative a half, y cubed to the power of negative a half, which is going to give you over x squared to the power of negative a half times 1 over negative a half times x squared, y squared. You see, it's not fun, but you got to do it. So I just distributed the exponents to each side. The next step you want to do is then multiply the exponents. So we have here, we're multiplying exponents. So we're going to get this is x to the minus 1, y cubed over 3 over 2, x to the negative 1, y negative a half, times x6 to the power 6, y squared, y to the power of 1. Now we can combine all the x terms. So we take x negative to the power of negative 1/2, take this term, this x squared term, this x to the power of negative 1, and we take this x squared, x to the power of 6. We combine them together. Same thing with y to the negative 3 over 2. We combine this together. And vice versa. Here we combine this with the 1 on y to the power of 1. So that's what we're going to do here. So we'll do here is you have x to the power of negative 1 times x to the power of 6. So you can do it here, x to the negative 1 plus 6, y to the negative 3 over 2 plus 2. Then you have x to the negative 1, and you're going to get y to the negative a half plus 1. Now, if we simplify this further, this will give you x to the power of 5, y to the half, all over x to the negative 1, 1 over a half. And if you combine them together, you should give you x to the 6. Okay? So see what I did? I show all the work. I show all the steps. You do not want to do this. So that's what you want to be able to do. Okay? So that's number 1. Do you have any questions or concerns that you need to address? You let me know. Let's